Right, so let's just go deeper into leads, because you might just come to this lesson and say, what's leads? And jump past the last lesson, or you might just want a refresher of what is leads. In my mind, these are not your customers, these are not people you're dealing with, these are new possibilities, new things in the system where you may or may not think there's an opportunity to do business. So, if you're a real estate agent, this might be Mrs. Smith is selling an house. She's said to somebody, she's talking about moving house. You don't know any more than that. You don't know any more than hearsay that that's going to happen, and you're not sure if it's going to happen. Or again, it's easier for me to do it in a security industry example, because that's who I work with. You went round a supermarket near your business and you can see the cameras are outdated. So you might put in, there's always a different places where you can do stuff. So you can go leads, just click add a lead. You can go plus here and just click add a lead, right? So I might put, so lead owner's me, company is Modern Mart Supermarket, right? That's the company. First name of the lead, last name I don't know. I don't know who this person is, right? At this point, I don't know who the manager is. I might put in find manager. Right? You might not know. You might not know title, email, website. You might know some of this information or not. But what you're really looking to do on the lead is just drop in that the lead is there. Cameras are outdated. Possibility for a cold call to see if they want to upgrade. Something like that, right? That is what I consider leads to be. Things that people have given you that you aren't actively involved in, aren't saying, it says here, look, trade show. Somebody at a trade show gave you their card. Or advertisement, web download. So you might actually, in the lead section, have, imagine on your website you have a form that says, fill this in if you want a salesman to contact you. And then your boss has the ability to associate either you with that lead on the website, or they can round robin it. If there's 5 of yous, it might be your turn next. And this lead gets assigned to you, and it's somebody who's shown interest in something you're selling on the website. And you've got whatever they've filled out in that form. So when you've gone down and you've got, all the access, you've got website form, will drop an email. You might put here, Sam in accounts knows this person. They might have come to you and said, oh, you've been assigned a new deal, a new lead. I know that person. So you might put in information on that person to just, little bits and bobs that you know about them or you don't know about them. Maybe it might be wrong phone number. Need a proper phone number. So within each lead, within each all these tabs, you can do this open activities, look, add a new task, add a new event, or log a call. So I might put here, find out phone number. When's it due? 17th. Is it high? Not really. It's just a lead, right? It's not. These are not your core business. These are not your. These are not people that you're diving on. These may be the ones that you go back to when you're in need of work. Because obviously you're going to get your deals and your accounts and the deals that you're working on will be your higher priority. But this is something to go back to later. Reminder. Send me a reminder. Not going to repeat and save, right? So now when I go tasks, I've got my tasks open. Open deals. So I've got, look, find out phone number. So this is showing all activities. You might just want to show yours. my activities, right? So you just want to see that, but you wouldn't necessarily see other people's activities. It's just because I've opened it up. So you see now in leads, I've created a lead. I've got a task to do with that lead. Now, when I get that person's phone number and call them, I'm going to log what the call was about. I'm going to log the call, and then I'm going to convert them to an account. If I think, right, we're going to go to the next step, they want me to go for a meeting, I'm going to move them across to an account and a contact. Right, so we're going to talk about that next.